Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Abro. 434 billion jobs are given out. 18 days to hand over. 18 days to hand over. Buhari government still awarding multi-billion naira contract as another 434 billion jobs are given out. President Buharis Administration will come to an end on May 29, but the government said it will continue to work until the last day. The Minister of Transportation, MUSTAPHA, said the administration will continue to perform its duties till May 28th. Panel sent a letter of invitation to different countries for the swearing-in of Asiwaju ahead of May 29 inauguration. The secretary to the government of the Federation, Boss Mustapha, announced that preparations for the inauguration ceremony of the president and vice president-elect had reached an advanced stage. Armed hoodlums suspected to be members of the indigenous people of Biafra have wreaked havoc on Ihiala and Onitsha communities in Anambra State while claiming to be enforcing the sit-at-home order declared by a faction of IPOB last week. The situation also forced activities at the Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu University, Uli campus, to be suspended. Bank guard shelves, vehicles bombs. A public affairs commentator, Chief Ebebu, mentioned that the federal government should have intervened in EKWEREMADU's case, as he believes such action will have helped the Nigerian politician get a reduced jail sentence in the United Kingdom. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Abbo.